To understand lymphatic drainage massage, you firstly have to understand a little bit more about the lymphatic system. So the lymphatic system comprises of a delicate network of capillaries that run throughout your entire body, and it comprises of lymphatic nodes that gather in clusters in certain regions of the body, and lymphatic organs like your spleen and your tonsils. So lymphatic drainage massage uses a very gentle rhythmic technique to stimulate superficial lymph and guide that fluid to the closest nodules to help detoxify the body through its elimination channels. And that's how it differs from any standard massage, because it has to use a very specific routine and technique to achieve the treatment goal, where other massages don't have to follow such a strict parameter. No, it's very gentle and it's very relaxing. So you're working with the superficial lymph, and lymph is fluid and it lives in the dermis layer of the skin, so really close to the top of the skin. And for our post-operative clients, they find it very relaxing. They often fall asleep. And for procedures like tummy tucks, they usually come in still wearing the tape, and we work about 2 inches above the tape, directing fluid away from the incision site. And we always communicate with our patients that they shouldn't feel any pain, they shouldn't feel any tugging or pulling at the incision line whatsoever. And usually they just fall asleep. It's really relaxing. It varies according to the patient and the extent of their procedure and how they are individually healing from the operation. So we work closely with them. Initially, it's more frequent and we educate them, empower them on how to self-massage at home, so they can do a little bit of self-massage. But usually about 1 to 2 sessions a week if it's within their budget for a number of weeks, and then that can just taper off. It depends on which procedure, but for an abdominoplasty, from 7 to 10 days post-op. And we will be measuring how much fluid comes out of those if you've still got the incisions and the drains. If you feel like that is too uncomfortable for you, you can start from 2 weeks post-op. That's not a problem. And lymphatic drainage, we have about 200 lymph nodes in our face and neck. So again, we avoid incisions, but we just work to just move fluid down into the subclavial vein. So we just move it away, and it can provide a lot of relief from the puffiness of the eyes and the face. Yes, most definitely. And even though we don't touch the breast whatsoever, we still do a lot of lymphatic drainage around the body and other areas of like the legs and the abdomen, because that will help overall swelling, help with speeding up recovery, and help with sleep quality as well. It's really important to stay super hydrated when getting lymphatic massages. I have a lot of clients, as soon as they get off the table, they're like so parched, they need a glass of water, their mouth is very dry, it's immediate. So staying really hydrated to move those toxins along, because it's very detoxifying. We also suggest to avoid having a heavy meal 1 hour before, especially if we're working on the abdomen. And then once you have had clearance from your surgeon after surgery, going for a walk straight after the lymphatic massage can really help extend the benefits of it. I have a lot of clients who start with me post-operatively and they haven't found me beforehand, and then they continue on after their recovery because they express that they feel like they're having clearer skin. Skin conditions like eczema clear up as well, and acne, but just it helps reduce water weight overall in the body. So a lot of people say that they're the most frequent they've been with regular bowel movements, less discomfort, less bloating, less digestive issues. So that's really beneficial to how you can physically feel in your body, because that's obviously really uncomfortable. But yeah, that reduction in water weight is super apparent in every single session. So like a maintenance one after your recovery of once every 4 to 6 weeks can really help.